New vlog, we're in BBC Gloucestershire. Subscribe, like, follow, you know what to do. Beep. I believe that everybody is kind of great in their own way, and it's just trying to find out what works for you. If school's that, great, but if it's not, there might be other avenues for you. But that doesn't mean you can still be lazy and not do nothing.
Thank you so much for coming in and being a part of the show this evening. It's been absolutely fascinating, and stay in touch because I'm sure
thank you.
We speak to you as well.
Brilliant, thank you.
Thanks again.
Okay guys, so that's a wrap here in BBC Gloucestershire with my man CP Film Guy in the back. Short and sharp, doing what we do best, still sharing that message. Of course, as it was BBC Gloucestershire, I understand not everybody will be able to listen to it really, so that's the reason why we're investing time and a lot of money to dedicate towards giving you guys the content and hopefully helping you the best way I can. So I just want to say a massive thank you. Don't know why I still got my plastic cup, but make sure you follow us on all our social media here, hit that big red button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.